Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add product add-on with price in WooCommerce product in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our product and we are going to add product additional price or add-ons. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write advanced product field product add-ons for WooCommerce. So this is plugin advanced product field product add-ons for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So after activation, on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. For this plugin you see two options, product field and also in setting you see product field. So click on it. So we are in product field setting, show in cart, yes, show on customer cart page, show on checkout page. So you can set text according to requirement. Now you see select option and then on left side you see product field. So click on it. So if you want, you can add product add-on by using globally option or you can add using product. Now you see product field group and then you see a field group is a collection of fields that belong together. So click on add new. So you can add from here. Now go to edit product. So this is our product and refresh the page. So you can add additional product add-ons from product directly. So we are in edit product and then scroll down. Now you see custom field option. So click on it. Now you see field. Add some custom field to this group. Layout, label position above the field, instruction position below the field, mark required field enable. If you want you can disable it. So it's up to you. And then you see change product image. So this option available in Pro only. Now scroll up. So click on add your first field. So click on it. Now you see type text, text area, URL, select true, false, check boxes. So you can add any option, radio button. Now select checkbox. So you can add label. So we added additional text in label. If you want you can add instruction also required. If you want you can make it required. So it's up to you. Now you see option. So we are going to add option with price here and then click on add option. So click on it. Now you see option label S1 price 10. If you want you can select this by default and then you see adjust pricing, no price change, flat fee. So in free version only flat fee, not quantity based option available. If you want that add-on price also increase and product quantity increase or decrease, then you can use Pro version. Now you see in Pro version quantity based flat fee formula. You see multiple options. Now select flat fee. Now add more options. So click on it. S2. Now select flat fee. Now add value of 20. And then you see repeat field for Pro only. Conditional. You need at least 2 fields to create conditional rule. You see attribute width class. If you want you can add more field. Now scroll up. So click on update. Now go to plugin setting. So we are in add new product field group. Now you see same option, add your first field and then you see rules, add your first rule. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now go to product page and refresh the page. Now you see product price 33 and then you see product total 33 optional. Now you see 0. We have 2 additional options, grand total. Now select 1. Now you see 33, 10, 43. If you increase quantity, product total increase, grand total also increase, but additional add-on value not increase because we are using free version plugin. So click on add to cart. Now product added. So click on view cart. So in cart page, now you see ceramic bar additional S1. Now you see $10. Now go to checkout page. So we are in checkout page and then scroll down. Now you see again your order. You see additional S1 $10. So in this way you can add product add-ons for WooCommerce product using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.